Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can increase your selling rate on eBay. So if you wish to increase your selling rate on eBay, you'll have to follow these steps. First thing, make sure that you already have a seller's account, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in ebay.com and log in into your account by entering your credential. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So to increase your seller's rating on eBay, you have to make sure to describe your item accurately. You can also use pictures, add a video, and including the listing so that the buyer know exactly what to expect. And likewise, you can also go ahead and provide in a clear return and payment policies in your listing, and you can work with the buyer to resolve issues promptly as well. And now there are other features such as mentioning the product details. So taking good picture of your product can help you increase sellers rate in eBay. So by following the steps, you should be able to increase your seller rate on eBay, and likewise you could also promote it on any other social media platform if you have. That can also be one of the ways to increase your selling rate on eBay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.